You know that feeling when you need particles for everything from explosions to magic spells, but making them from scratch eats your whole weekend? That pain is over. This pack hands you over 1,000 particle effects ready to drop into any project. The real win is variety. You get fire, smoke, water splashes, sparks, confetti, portals, the full spectrum. Each effect is pre-optimized with tweakable parameters, so you can crank up size or color in seconds without touching a shader. Perfect for prototyping any game feel fast. Setup is literally drag and drop. Each prefab comes with its own particle system fully configured. You just pick the effect you want, place it in the scene, and press play. No fiddling with curves or sub-emitters. That's the kind of shortcut that keeps you in flow. Nearly 300 reviews and a perfect 5-star average. Buyers say it's the only particle pack you'll ever need, and that the variety saves them hours every single week. The sheer volume can be overwhelming at first, and not every effect is tuned for mobile out of the box. Just turn down max particles on the ones you use for performance. For $9, that works out to less than a penny per effect. A serious time saver that costs less than a coffee run. Grab it and stop reinventing the wheel. Link in the description. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Trees and bushes that stay flat and lifeless kill immersion fast. This shader is the fix. It gives every leaf billboard-style wind animation with almost no performance cost. What sets it apart is the built-in LOD system and support for up to 8 directional light sources. Your vegetation responds to sunlight from multiple angles, creating depth that simple vertex shaders can't touch. It makes a prototype meadow look production-ready. Setup is a breeze. Just assign the shader to your foliage materials, tweak the wind strength slider, and you're done. There's also a global wind controller, so you can sync animation across the entire scene. Huge time saver for environment artists. Over 250 ratings with a solid 4 stars. Users love how it just works and makes terrains look rich without touching the grass painter. It's not designed for stylized or tuned foliage. The focus is realistic wind and light response. If your art style is flat shaded, this will look out of place. $10 is less than what a single tree asset pack costs on its own. For that, you get the shader that makes any tree look better. That's an absurd anchoring deal. Grab it before you forget. Adding post-processing filters to UI or transparent objects usually means custom shaders and a lot of headache. This kit makes it as easy as dragging a script onto your camera. The standout is the full-screen real-time glow and blur that respects transparency. You can make a glass panel glow or apply a depth-of-field blur behind a UI window, all with sliders. It even works with Unity's built-in render pipeline, no SRP migration needed. Performance is surprisingly good because it's optimized for mobile-friendly blitz. You get a dozen effects, including color grading, vignette, and scan lines, all configurable from a single inspector. It's a clean drop-in for any project that needs polish fast. 163 reviews, all 5 stars. People call it essential and incredibly easy to use. They love that it works out of the box with no code. The effects are not physically based, they're stylized filmic looks. If you need ultra-realistic bloom like a AAA game, you might want a heavier post-stack. But for 90% of projects, this is plenty. $15 gives you a whole post-processing suite. Compare that to hiring a tech artist for even an hour. This pays for itself 100 times over. Business ROI at its finest. Link below. Mobile games can feel flat without post-processing, but full pipelines kill frame rates. This pack gives you 10 professional-grade profiles optimized specifically for mobile hardware. Each profile uses lightweight algorithms, no expensive volumetric effects. You get a moody cinematic look, a vibrant cartoon look, a desaturated dash, all with one click on your camera. It's like having a colorist on your team. The beauty is that you can tweak any parameter in real time while the game runs. See the change instantly on your mobile device. Fine-tune contrast, saturation, bloom intensity without rebuilding. Weekend project fuel. Perfect 5-star score from over 100 buyers. They say it makes my mobile game look like console, and the ease of use is unreal. The profiles work best with Unity's built-in post-processing stack. If you use a custom renderer, you may need to adapt them, but for standard pipelines, it's seamless. At $4.99, this is an emotional no-brainer. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. Make your game look 10 times better for less than a sandwich. Grab it now. Creating grassy meadows that sway in the wind without tanking performance is a classic dev struggle. This shader handles it beautifully, even on large terrains. The key feature is its GPU instancing support combined with custom vertex animation. Thousands of grass blades move independently with wind, responding to direction and strength. You can paint the grass density and height directly onto terrain textures. Setup is incredibly fast. Just attach the shader to a standard Unity terrain grass detail layer and adjust the wind vector. There's also a LOD system that blends detail at distance. You get lush fields that don't cost frames. 94 perfect reviews. Users say it finally solved grass performance for my open world and that it's ridiculously easy to set up. It's optimized for standard terrain grass. If you want to place grass on custom meshes like a church roof, you'll need additional steps. But for open fields, it's flawless. At $14.99, that's 15 cents per game template if you reuse it across projects. A single open-world prototype could save you 40 hours of hand modeling grass. Time-saved ROI for the win. Building a fire system from scratch takes days of tweaking. This MEGABundle hands you over 600 visual effects covering fire, fog, smoke, explosions, and more. Instant atmosphere. Each effect is a ready-to-play prefab with particle systems fully configured. You'll find campfires, fireballs, smoke plumes, magical fog, and even environmental effects like dust storms. Mix and match to create unique combos in seconds. The variety is insane. There are different styles for realistic fire, stylized fire, fog that glows, and smoke with alpha fade. All are optimized for mid-range phones, so you can use them in mobile prototypes too. 91 reviews and consistent 5 stars. One buyer says, "I got what I needed for my entire game in one download." High praise. The effects are not modular, each is a single prefab. If you need to combine fire and smoke into a custom composite, you'll merge particle systems manually. But the presets cover most needs. $10 for over 600 effects? That's less than 2 cents per effect. A cost per unit dream. Snap it up and light up your scenes instantly. Flat skin, wax, or leaves look fake because real materials let light scatter through them. This shader adds that soft, realistic glow with a single material override. The shader supports multiple scattering colors, so you can dial in the exact look for human skin, fruit, or candle wax. It also has built-in thickness mapping to simulate edges more translucent. The result is facial features that look organic, not plastic. Performance is surprisingly light because it's a screen space effect that only runs on objects with the shader. You can apply it to a few characters without tanking your frame rate. Setup takes literally 2 clicks. Assign material, adjust ramp texture. 78 reviews, all 5 stars. Artists say it's the best subsurface shader for the price and that it gives characters that AAA feel. This works only in the built-in render pipeline. If you're using URP or HDRP, you'll need to convert materials manually or use a compatible alternative. $10 is what you'd pay for a single custom rig on a freelance marketplace, and those don't include scattering. The value per feature here is off the charts. Grab it and level up your characters. Blood effects in games often look like flat decals or heavy particle systems. This pack uses a clever pseudo-volume technique to create splashes, pools, and sprays that look 3D without the cost. The system uses layered sprites with normal maps and depth sorting to simulate volume. You get spatter decals that follow mesh surfaces, pooling blood that spreads, and hit effects that burst out. It's all controlled through a simple spawner script. Setup is dead simple. Attach the blood spawner to your character, call the method when damage happens, and blood appears on the closest surface. It even works on skinned meshes, so wounds appear on moving limbs. Great for slasher or survival prototypes. 78 5-star ratings. Reviews highlight the performance, runs great on mobile, and the ease of integration into existing combat systems. The effect is not truly volumetric. Up close, it's clearly sprite-based, but for most in-game distances, it looks convincing. Good enough for a jam or indie title. $15. Think of it as a long-term investment. You'll reuse it in every action game you make. That's project-enabling value you can't ignore. Check it out. Ever placed a flat plane with a texture only to see the back face is invisible? This shader pack makes any material render double-sided with zero extra work. It takes Unity's standard and mobile shaders and adds a double-sided toggle. That's it. You keep full lighting, normal maps, and emission support. Perfect for leaves, cloth, signs, anything where the back matters. No performance hit on mobile. Installation is literally copy-paste the shader files into your project and assign to any material. You can even batch switch all materials via a script. For a jam where you need transparency on both sides, this is a lifesaver. 74 perfect reviews. Users call it a must-have for any Unity developer and saved me hours of manual flipping. It only works on the built-in render pipeline. No URP or HDRP support. But if you're on standard, it's the best $10 you'll spend. $10. For that, you skip the headache of coding double-sided rendering. It's a quality per dollar standout, pure simplicity. Grab it and save your weekend. Making flickering, animated sci-fi signs from scratch requires texturing skill and shader knowledge. This pack drops in a collection of animated neon sign prefabs ready to place in your scene. Each sign has multiple animation states: idle glow, flicker, and full pulse. They use a custom shader that supports color changing and speed control via material properties. You can turn a blue sign into red in 2 clicks. The set includes over 30 unique sign shapes, arrows, symbols, text frames, all low poly and optimized for mobile. Drop them into a corridor and instantly get a Cyberpunk alley. Perfect for game jams where visual impact matters. 68 5-star ratings. Buyers say, "These signs are beautiful, and they make my scene look expensive in minutes." The signs are designed for a specific sci-fi aesthetic. Not great for fantasy or modern setting, but if you're making a neon city, they're perfect. $10. Compared to buying individual sign assets from artists, you're getting 30 for the price of one. That's an incredible bargain. Don't let this deal slide. It's the perfect cap to your prototype toolkit. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.